Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wyoming Blessed with Tish. And if you haven't done so, you're going to hit that thumbs up button. Go hit that subscribe button, the notification bell next to it, so you'll be notified when I upload a video. And share this video. Y'all, it was a tie between Seafood Boil and Wingstop. Exactly, 28-28. So guess what we have? We have Wingstop wings, flats only, y'all. Look at that. Mango habanero. And we have Seafood Boil. We have Cajun corn from Wingstop as well. We're in Salt Lake at a hotel. They didn't give me anything to put this in. So we are makeshifting here. And it is going on the tray that has been washed. We got crawfish, clams, head-on shrimp, sausage, potato, corn. I do have a michelada right here. Y'all, it's been a week. And they gave me gloves, but they're really noisy. So we're gonna do this old-fashioned style. Wingstop ranch. I got a new water bottle. Look at this, isn't it cute? So me. The lighting is not the greatest in this room, but y'all, we're gonna make do. I know I'm gonna make a mess. I feel like they should have gave me a bib, not gloves. Let's start off with the sausage. I love clams, y'all. Ooh, those are super sweet. Coda's right there. Carlos is right there. It has been such a week. To say the least.
Hey, Mom. So you don't make a mess.
Yeah.
Stuff it in your shirt.
Look, I brought you a bib. It is a brand new shirt, so I don't want to get it dirty. It does say Mama Bear. I got this medium from a place called, what was it called? Seafood Bucket in Salt Lake City, Utah. This was only $25, y'all. Which isn't bad at all. And we did throw it in there. We did go to Costco and the Asian market before they closed because we didn't get down here till later. I had to work. Well, get it up and going anyways. Long story short, can't really tell you the details, but I almost didn't have a job, we'll put it that way. Ooh, this bad boy's spicy. Let's try one. Are they?
Yeah.
Coda's got 5 bites.
It's like they put buffalo sauce on it.
These are good, Coda.
What?
The potatoes.
I'm sure they are.
You can have one.
No.
No? See? Good thing. Carlos is... Wow, this is hot.
I think it was hotter than that hot honey.
Really? I wonder if they give you the wrong ones. My mouth's on fire already. I love clams. Those are good. Crawfish head. I don't know where the tail went.
Should have brought some chocolate. You didn't drink
I should have got it mild. So we come, and they had sold their room because I wanted a king with a pull-out bed, like what's behind me. So Coda couldn't sleep there. He prefers that. Before you all are like, well, why didn't you get 2 queens? He prefers that. So they upgraded us, y'all, and we're happy with this upgrade. Yes, we are.
Yeah, we got our own hot tub.
Mhm. We got a giant jetted tub. I was like, okay, cool.
Those crawdads and clams?
Mhm.
Oh. I thought it was oysters and crawdads.
Coda was like, I don't even need to go downstairs to the hot tub. I have one here because y'all, he doesn't like the noise.
And I don't like the people.
Yeah. So he was more than happy.
Sorry if I'm rocking the camera if I walk in. Just throwing stuff away.
We will not be eating that one. When they don't open, they're not good.
Really?
Mhm.
Oh.
They're bad.
I didn't know that.
We got these corn snacks at the Asian market. They're so good. They're weird. Like, it tastes like fresh corn.
Okay. Yeah, these things are really good.
Yeah, they're corn rings. They're so good.
Should have kept a couple.
He's gonna be like, can we go back?
Yeah.
Need to get more.
Just run in really quick and buy some.
They were $4 a bag, so they weren't too terrible. Ooh. Salty. He's watching Star Wars.
So yeah, if you get frightened by the beginning, because I used to when I was younger.
He loves Star Wars, y'all.
Started the tropics.
This is so good. There's so much garlic. I think I got it bucket style, so it's everything.
Garlic?
Well, there's garlic all over in
Yeah.
this.
When your mouth's not on fire, try it and cook it.
This one's kind of open,
Tastes like buffalo
so I don't know.
But it's the color.
But I don't know about y'all. I don't play with seafood. Like, I don't take chances. Get out the little pooper scooper. It's good though. Sausage. You want to try a piece of sausage?
You want some ranch?
You want to try a piece of sausage?
No, my mouth's already on fire enough. Actually, that's hotter than jalapeno Cheeto.
It's a half a pound of shrimp, half a pound of crawfish, half a pound of clams.
My mouth isn't on fire. What's that?
Sit.
Crab?
Shrimp. 6 sausage pieces, 3 potatoes,
Ew.
and 3 corn. Like I said, for $24.99. Not a bad price at all. Went to Costco. I didn't see those noodles that we had a couple days ago at all, but they had these udon ones from there. It's got guava in it. I thought it was the Estrella Jalisco one, because they have one that's a piña michelada and it's amazing. Oh, there's corn too, Coda. The Cajun corn from Wingstop.
The spicy?
It's fried corn.
Oh no, that don't look good.
Yes, it does.
No, thank you.
Look, y'all.
It looks like the corn when you leave it out after you cook.
Oh, this is good, Coda. Oh wow.
Some things are really red. The crawfish.
You can tell they're frozen though. They're small.
No.
I almost went down the wrong pipe.
Here we get crawdads about the size of this water bottle.
I've seen them.
They have? Oh, yeah,
In my seafood.
I forgot you put reviews on them.
How yummy. I bet that tastes good. Dipped in ranch.
What? I don't know. Snoring things are spicy.
I wonder if they sent you the wrong ones.
I think they did. Cause like it looks like barbecue sauce, but
it smells like barbecue sauce, babe.
Yeah, but it's really spicy to me. And I eat that hot honey and jalapeno Cheetos. It's kind of spicy, isn't it?
I don't know. Taste if it's spicy. My mouth is spicy anyways, so.
What?
I didn't think so either. It's not spicy, babe.
Maybe it's my tongue from after drinking Fanta.
Yeah, it's not spicy. It's honey barbecue. Or hickory barbecue.
That might be what's making it spicy, is the hickory.
There's no spice to it. I would love to tell you there is, but there is not.
That's very strange. I would like it a little bit more if they didn't absolutely drench it.
It is pretty saucy.
In sauce. I mean, you could eat a whole nother thing of fries with this sauce without having to buy barbecue sauce.
They're so good. The clams, they're so good, but I love clams.
You like seafood?
I just don't like fries. Y'all gotta try this place. Found it on DoorDash.
And now it's not spicy.
They gave me quite a bit of clams though. Like I would have thought a half a pound is way less than this.
Okay. I don't know what's wrong with my body.
And we got all kinds of noodles. Like Korean cold noodles. All different ones at the Asian market.
I think my tongue's bipolar.
Y'all, let's try these mango habanero wings. Look at that.
Oh.
I'm very funny about my wings. I only like flats. Oh, and I just stuck my arm in the ranch.
And now it's spicy again.
Ooh. Oh.
Here.
At least it didn't land on my face.
At least it didn't land upside down. And we'll get it in. I need a water for that.
I'll clean the flats, not the drumsticks.
I don't like bones.
Oh, those are so good. Where's some napkins? My nose is running. I got stuff everywhere. I'm a mess. And it's, yeah, so like I said, Wasn't sure if me and Coda were gonna have a job after this week. We're happy. We're okay now. Oh, I want that one right there.
You know how like in some of them TikTok videos, the people just like completely dunk their chicken
Look, y'all. See it?
in the sauce? It's like that. Except I didn't intentionally do that.
That's so good. Oh, the wings are good. My foot's asleep.
My goodness, I took one bite.
Literally, my foot's asleep.
Hey, you want these? You want?
It was so hot today.
My goodness, for the first time, I'm actually glad to be in a store.
Right? Because it was cool. It was so hot outside. Carlos had to work all night last night, so he slept a little today, but he was tired. So I brought him to the room, and then me and Coda went to Costco in the Asian market. And so he got to stay in a nice cool room. It was hot outside. It's like 90 some odd degrees here. Echo Reservoir, though, outside of Salt Lake, it's pretty full. It's the fullest I've seen it in a long time.
Yeah, anymore we'd be flooding the streets. They must have got a big rainstorm or something.
Yes, I like my hands. They're clean. They're mine.
I was gonna say, your own
Right? It's mine. I don't think Coda was a fan of Wingstop.
No.
I'm not a pro at crawfish. Look, y'all. That's his favorite thing.
What, Red Lobster bacon? Yeah, if you can't tell, I can't talk. Red Lobster biscuits.
Piece of sand.
Sand?
Clams have it sometimes.
Well, yeah, I know that, but how do you know it's sand in that bowl?
Put a bit down on it.
Yeah.
This garlic is delicious.
Watch this YouTuber.
Oh, that's a great big clam, y'all.
And he actually eats sand for content. Only watch him.
That's a big clam.
Ooh, I'm tired.
Yeah. This is delicious. Even better if I wasn't getting sand.
Mine would be good if it wasn't absolutely drenched in barbecue sauce. It's like barbecue sauce soup with chicken nuggets.
Alright, y'all. I think I might eat one more wing and then I jump off here so that Coda can get in the bath or shower or whatever. And we can get ready for bed because he's got to be up at 5:45.
Yeah, and unpack it anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't sleep well.
Mm.
Stomach pain.
Their ranch is delicious.
Oh, don't let me eat anything before bed,
Mm-hmm.
please.
Mm.
Yeah, I don't particularly.
That my foot is like, you know when your foot's so asleep it hurts?
Oh yeah, when it's got that steam.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, look at this one.
What?
He's got great big old claws. Alright, we're gonna eat him. We're gonna eat him on camera.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he
He's
does.
got long claws.
Mm-hmm.
And thicker claws too. How do you know he had a lot of muscle in his claws?
He wants to be eaten.
No, I don't.
Sorry if you hear somebody above us.
Yeah.
They're kind of stomping.
They're marching in my room.
You know they got big claws whenever you can get meat out of them. Oh yeah.
I could fall asleep in his chair.
Oh, that's good. This sauce is delicious. Really. It's good.
Oh, Joe Wilson, I thought it was the Empire.
We both pug.
I just seen this big old machine.
It didn't work. I was hoping it would, but it didn't. It didn't. I love how garlicky it is. I love garlic. Like I said, it's my hands. Oh, yes. There's all kinds. There's still quite a bit left, y'all. And the corn. Oh, let's try the corn. Just to try it. Oh. It's really sweet.
Yeah, maybe soon you'll have some of my own corn.
Yeah, call it corn.
Lots of it.
What's it called?
Peach.
Oh, peaches and cream.
Yeah, peach something corn. And then 2 sweet corn. So it's the common corn.
That corn's good. It's all the way up into my thighs numb.
Oh, I hate that. And then you know when it's so asleep, like when you step on it, it feels really, really weird.
Alright, y'all. I am done. I'm full. I'm done. I hope that y'all had or have a fantastic weekend. I'll update y'all on Coda's MRI and all that as usual. But anyways, I'll see you back here next week, and as always, stay warm and stay blessed. Bye y'all.